making empanadas de minilla de atún or tuna minilla empanadas. They're very easy to make and the tuna comes out so tasty and it's something that you can make ahead of time, perfect for entertaining. So I have my pan set over medium-high heat. I'm adding some oil. Then I have 3/4 cups of white onion that I already chopped. I'm going to add 1 garlic clove, and I'm adding 1.5 pounds of ripe Roma tomatoes that I already diced. Chop some parsley to have it ready. I'm gonna take out my puff pastry and let it continue thawing. And then add salt, pepper, brown sugar. I'm adding oregano and thyme, a couple of bay leaves. I'm gonna add capers. I'm adding manzanilla olive stuffed with pimentos that I already sliced. And then I'm adding raisins, pickled jalapenos. And this is briny, it's tangy, spicy. Now I'm adding the tuna. And the last thing I'm gonna add is chopped parsley. And I'm gonna let these simmer for about 5 minutes as I roll out my dough. Some flour to my countertop. Add to my rolling pin. Roll out the puff pastry to less than 1/4 inch. I want it thin. This looks like it's thin enough. I'm gonna preheat my oven. It's at 400. Now let's check the minilla. This is perfection. I'm gonna put this filling in a bowl so it will cool. I'm gonna cut my circles in my dough. Egg wash. Brush my empanada circles along the edges so they will stick when I close them. Then we wanna add a very, very generous spoon of the filling. Perfectly chubby. You're closing. And then you want to seal with a fork. Beautiful. Pretty. I'm going to brush on top. I'm going to put these in for 20 minutes. Ah, perfect. They all look so pretty. We'll go for this one. Salsa verde, which has the tomatillos and the jalapeños. Ooh. Oh, so flaky. We'll try without the salsa. So satisfying. Dip it in the salsa. It adds a little bit of a kick. Shiny, sharp, tart taste from the tomatillos. So delicious. Yum.